which line is bigger? Pretty cool, huh? So how many rods do you see? There's actually two rectangular rods. The center one that you see is just the illusion of the space in the middle. Which box looks bigger? So is the top bigger than the bottom? Is the bottom bigger than the top, or are they both the same size? That's kind of freaky. Look crooked? Nope, they're all perfectly straight. I feel like I'm being followed. So one's supposed to look square, the other one looks circle. To me, they both look the same. So if you stare at that picture long enough, the apparition is supposed to vanish. Now, if you stare at this for 30 seconds, then stare at the next board, you're supposed to see a glowing light bulb. So let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. That's really weird. So it makes it look like it goes all the way around, but it's actually just that big. It's like a bunch of mirrors in there. It's pretty cool. It's so weird. Like I was going straight, but with the turning, it made me want to just keep going with the turn. So people keep watching this video without hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I thought about doing this for a table in my living room. Check it out. What do you think? Cool illusion? Something you do? What's cool is if you want to do that at home, it's really only about 10 inches high. It's got two little handles in it, a mirror, and then another mirror, and then lights. That's it. Were they moving for you? Pretty cool illusion, huh? Does it look like it waves? It's not, it's just a static image. Let's check out this one here. So I'm gonna play some poker with, well, 5 of my closest friends. I only had a pair of 2s, but so did everybody else. Amazing how that happens. Did it wobble for you? It did for me, so I don't know if it did for you. That was pretty cool. Perfectly still, but when you're walking, that illusion makes it look like it moves too. Well, that's all the time we have at the Museum of Illusion. Wasn't that cool? And one thing that's awesome, it's not really the place you go to by yourself, because a lot of the pictures take, a camera person, and I tried using my cell phone on one and it didn't work out too well, using the timer. But the staff there, super friendly, and they were willing to help me do pictures, and then I needed a couple people into pictures, so they came in there too to make it work. So I really appreciate that. That's cool. So if you're ever in Orlando, come check them out. And pro tip, there's a parking garage. If you park on levels 4 through 7, free parking.